how to change frame size in Premiere Pro. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to change the frame size in Premiere Pro. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open the app on your PC or laptop. After that, select your clip in the timeline. Go to the top left panel and click on Effect Controls. Under Motion, you can use the corner points to click and drag, resizing the frame manually. Another way is to right-click your clip in the timeline and choose Set to Frame Size or Scale to Frame Size to automatically adjust it. If you want to change the entire sequence frame size, go to the Sequence menu at the top and select Sequence Settings. Here, you can enter the frame width and height you want, for example, making your sequence a square. Click OK to save the changes. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted the frame size in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this helped you out. See you in the next one.